Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing this kit I got, which is a USB-C connector that plugs into the adapter, and then at the end of this is a magnetic connector so that you can put any tip you want that's in this bag on it. I'm showing this to you today because I actually have a reason to use it. I have this flashlight, and as you can tell by the adapter, it is not a USB-C. It's one of the guys in here. So let's see how well this works. Let's shake out all of our adapters. There we go. They are very magnetized. Let's see if we can find the right one. Nope, I don't think that's it. There we go. This guy. I think this one is the one. So let's see how well this works magnetically. Wow. Did you see that? It just flew right in there. And let's see if I'm correct. Looking in the right way. That needs to go in upside down. And it's flashing red on the other side, which means this is working. Love this thing. I can't wait to use it more. Definitely 5 stars.